Great to see you all here. Great job.
We're so happy to have you on stage with us.
It's a pleasure to be here in this beautiful city of Guwahati. And it's a historical moment for Filmfare to come out for the first time from the capital, Mumbai, and have our biggest night in this beautiful stage. So I, on behalf of the entire film